Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your age on TikTok. So in here, I've already on the TikTok apps, and then you are going to go to your profile. Here, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and then tap on the settings and privacy. And here, you just need to go to your account. In here, tap on account, and then after that, here you'll see download your data. You can get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use, so just tap on that. And in here, the data that you download in here will include your profiles, your account info, which includes the age that you started TikTok with. Here you can just select this file format and then click on request data. And after that, here under the download data tab, you'll see the request in here, requested on September 12th in here. And if it's already ready for download, you can just download in here, and it will be available for 4 days. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.